16 energy-efficient structures best describe the Expeditionary Combat Outpost, or XCOP, being evaluated during Network Integration Evaluation, or NIE 14.2, by soldiers from 1st Battalion, 35th Armored Regiment, 2nd Brigade Combat Team, 1st Armored Division, who are role-playing the opposition force.
The XCOP comes with 2 shower and latrines. Each barracks is a 10-man sleeping barrack, so you'll have 5 bunk beds. Every bunk has its own outlet, has USB ports, has ventilation. All the buildings have air conditioning, 8 washers and dryers, combos, so it washes and dries clothes in the same machine. It comes with a DFAC with an actual dining area.
The XCOP is equipped with net zero commercial solutions that include solar power, operational energy, and power distribution systems.
So it pretty much powers everything. And then with all 6 generators, we only use 4 during this NIE.
Reporting for the Brigade Modernization Command from Fort Bliss, Texas, I'm Lieutenant Colonel Diana Bagué.